Struggling to find the perfect gift for a gardener in your life? The GROWIT 22-piece gardening tool set promises to be the ultimate all-in-one kit for moms, dads, or anyone who loves gardening. Is it worth $50 in 2025? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartBloom. I'm your favorite YouTuber and we review smart gardening gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're unboxing the GROWIT 22-piece gardening tool set, a thoughtful gift for gardeners in the USA, EU, and beyond. Hit subscribe for more. The GROWIT 22-piece gardening tool set is a complete kit for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Priced at around $50, it includes a transplanter, trowel, hand rake, weeder, pruner, 15 plant tags, a pair of gloves, and a heavy-duty garden bag to keep everything organized. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy, these tools are rust-proof, durable, and designed with ergonomic handles for comfort. Perfect for planting, weeding, and pruning in small to medium gardens. Let's talk features. The 22-piece set has everything you need: trowel, transplanter, and pruner for planting and trimming, plus a weeder and hand rake for soil prep. The ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue, and the soft grip design prevents slipping during long gardening sessions. The rust-proof aluminum alloy ensures durability, and the included garden bag keeps everything in one place. No more searching for lost tools. Plus, the 15 plant tags help you label your herbs or veggies. Let's dig deeper. I tested this set in a small Florida garden, and the trowel and transplanter made planting seedlings a breeze. Super comfy grip, even after 30 minutes. The pruner cuts through small branches cleanly, but it's not ideal for thick stems over ½ an inch. Stick to lighter pruning. The weeder works great for pulling out stubborn roots, though the gloves are a bit thin for thorny plants. I'd recommend thicker ones for heavy-duty tasks. Users in the EU love the garden bag for organization, but some in the USA note the tools feel lightweight for very hard soil. Still, for $50, this set is a steal for beginners or as a thoughtful gift. Here's the good and the not so good. Pros: it's a complete 22-piece set for just $50, with ergonomic handles and a handy garden bag for organization. It's perfect for beginners or gifting. Cons: the tools aren't suited for very hard soil, the gloves are thin for thorny plants, and the pruner struggles with thicker branches. Overall, a fantastic value for small to medium gardens. Who should buy this set? It's perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada who are starting out or need a compact kit for small to medium gardens. Think flower beds or veggie patches. It's also an ideal gift for moms, dads, or anyone who loves gardening, especially if they value organization and comfort. It's not for heavy-duty tasks or large farms. Ready to gift the ultimate gardening kit? Grab the GROWIT 22-piece tool set on Amazon for around $50, link in the description. What's your favorite gardening tool? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more smart gardening reviews.